Slowly cartwheel the hands as you bend back into that right knee, lifting the left heel. We're coming to our easy twist. Reaching left hand up and over. Inhale here. As you exhale, right hand comes to the inside of the right foot. We're heel toeing right foot towards the edge of the mat. Lizard lunge. Inhale to lift your chest. Exhale, drop the left knee, untug the left toes. We're sending it all the way back, half splits. Your next inhale, lift your gaze. Slowly rocking back forward, bending into that right foot, lifting the right knee, tucking the right toes. Lifting the left knee, tucking the left toes. And then we're going to step left foot to the outside of the left hand, dropping it down, Malasana. Yogi squat. Elbows are to the inside of the knees. We're pushing into the hands to feel that lift from the crown of our head. Inhaling, sitting up nice and tall. And as you exhale, hands come down to the mat. We're folding forward. You can heel toe your feet back underneath your hips. Inhale for Ardha Uttanasana.